Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 10th of February 2024, and I'm going to be going over the results of week 7 of friend testing strategy, for which is the SPY's day open versus day close strategy from the 5th to 9th of February 2024. So, on the 5th, we can see that the previous day close was 494.35. We had a sell signal from which we made $2,478.25 of profit, which brings our return to 0.230%, and compared to SPY, this increases our alpha to 3.354%. Now, on the 6th, we had a buy signal from which we made $994.06 of profit, which was 0.091%. And compared to SPY, this reduced our alpha a little bit to 3.155%. On the 7th of February, we have a buy signal again from which we made $3,893.31, and after transaction charges, that's 0.362% in profit, bringing our cumulative return to 7.145% and our alpha down to 2.683%. Now, on this day, we had a no trade, so this didn't affect most of our things except for our alpha, which went down to 2.639%. Finally, on the 9th of February, we had a buy signal from which we made $5,066.92, which after transaction charges is 0.470%, and are bringing our cumulative portfolio return to 7.615%. And this is in compared to our alpha of 2.531%. So, this was just a short video going over the results of this testing for the week of the 9th of February 2024. But that's all for now. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.